Hey guys, Gerald for Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Patrick RIO sneakers. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of the latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take the time and opportunity to thank the subscribers new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this, so thank you. And let's go. So today we've got a look at the sneakers from Patrick. They're called the RIO. We got this in the blue and yellow colorway, in the UK size 8, and it's European 42. For the US fans they're watching, it equates to a 1 size up, and that would be a US 9. So for those that don't know, before we get unboxing, Patrick is probably an iconic sneaker brand. Well, for me, it's a football brand specifically, and you know, if you grew up watching 90s football, 80s football, any time actually until today, they were well famous, and they were a French brand, made footwear. It wasn't until Patrice, Patrick, took over his dad's company in the early 1900s something. He made football boots for his football team, and hence why it's synonymous with football. That's why when I think of Patrick, I think of, you know, football. That's soccer. I hate calling it soccer because it is football. And off the top of my head, it was worn by Michel Platini, a French footballer, and famously worn by Kevin Keegan, Newcastle legends. But these are football boots. These are casual sneakers, and let's get unboxing. Here they are. Very, very sleek, very clean. Reminds me of Brazil. Like blue and yellow. And it's very retro. It's very football terrace-esque. See these being worn with the tracksuit and that. So we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole. It's in that gum colorway. I love gum outsoles because of Reebok. And you got, you know, your very cool traction patterning right there. So the midsole unit is essentially a cup sole, so it's a rubber midsole unit. And the upper is all suede. Very premium suede in this royal blue colorway. Got the 2 stripes here with the yellow Patrick RIO right there on the side and the lateral side. Tongue, you've got a leather tongue, flat laces, you got some stickers that come along with it. And the midsole unit, not the midsole, sorry, the insole, you've got a foam insole with the Patrick logo. And on the heel, you've got a Patrick logo. Also, as I mentioned before, it's covered in this beautiful suede, this blue. Again, it reminds me of the Brazil top. It's very Brazilian colours for me. And it is a very, very dope sneaker, if I must say so myself. So if you're looking for a brand that isn't Adi, that isn't Nike, something to wear with your tracksuit when you're watching a football match, I highly recommend some Patrick's. It's got heritage right here, and I can't wait to try these on for you guys. So roll that footage of me trying these RIOs on for you. comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size fit. This is a UK size 8. I'm a UK size 7.5. Feels a bit loose. Should have gone a half size down, but there was none available at the time. But other than the fit, these look really cool on. They're quite comfy. The undersole, very nice. Very retro feel. If I'm wearing a trackie, if I had a Diodora one, I'd probably wear that. Or Patrick, obviously, they do their own. But these look really cool. Again, give you that retro football terrace vibes. I'm out here for it. And for those wondering what trousers I'm wearing a pair of joggers, grey sweatpants from Weekday. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Till next time, peace.